Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for being so amazing. So in today's video, as you saw in the thumbnail, I'm here with my mom. Rich Auntie is opening her YouTube channel, Cooking with Rich Auntie. So just tell us a little about your channel.
On my channel will be cooking Liberian food, going in the market and asking for the local food prices, and then we'll be teaching people how to cook Liberian food.
Delicious Liberian food.
Yes.
And I am our first investor, by the way. I am
manager.
So, as our first investor, I'm here today in town at M2 stores, and I'm buying two things major. I'm buying stove and ring light. So there's this promotional package that we're going for, and it's $59 for the stove, and then you have the rubber spoons and stuff like that. So that's what we're trying to buy. And then the ring light. So the prices for the ring light, they have $75. $75, right? Yeah. So $75 is the big one, and that's what we're... You want to pass? No, I already know this one. That's what I'm trying to get. That's what I'm trying to get. Or do you want to tell us the prices?
For which one?
Like for everything.
This one is $25. This one is $17. And then for this one is $45. This one we have it in two different types. This one is, we have 75, we have 85.
What's the difference between 75 and 85?
Light. With the 75, it's only white light, only one light.
Ah, that's more big 75 for something, only one light.
Meaning the light like that, only white.
Okay.
But
So
with the 85, you can change the light to red, green. Like what we have in here. So we have
hey guys, so we just got through getting the items. Rich in the inner making me to get ring light that cost $75. Man, you, my budget was $30, $45. Then 75. Who's 75?
Together like 120, but if people get discount, so like 150.
The discount ain't even necessary because it's like
That one can get you plate of food in time.
oh my god. Yeah. So I'm carrying my mom to lunch box Curbside Cafe, sorry. So buy food for she and Jovina, and then Jovina and I'll be going to school. My mom's channel is going to be helping people know how to cook different Liberian food, and y'all already enjoy the cooking videos we did, and she'll also be interacting with different market women. She'll be telling you the
details. I will do it bit by bit for you to understand it. I'm going to do it bit by bit because you need to give video because they didn't really understand the book. So on my own channel, you will understand it well.
so that my channel she didn't give her also, but no problem. Anyways, her channel is gonna be in the description box. It's also gonna be pinned in the comment section. She has not released a video yet. We're gonna work on that. Her first video will be out in August because we're gonna spend July creating content for her channel, and hopefully we're gonna post twice a week. So if you have some soups that you would like for her to start preparing, you can leave it in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe to her channel. So right now we're going to lunch bar Curbside Cafe. It's opposite our campus. That's what we're gonna buy lunch, and then it will be the end of the day for me, at least when it comes to recording. Okay guys, so we're at Lunchbox Curbside Cafe. I'm not yet tired how many times that I've visited one area. Anyway, so we ordered the fried rice, and it was really delicious. As always, it came with grilled chicken, and yeah. So at the end of the day, I had class to attend, so my mom took the stove and the ring light home, and we're gonna be trying them out soon in her videos. Hey guys, so thank you all so much for watching this video. Thank you for being so consistent. I'm on AMU campus right now, so I'm going to my class, and don't forget to click on Cooking with Rich Auntie and subscribe to my mom's channel. She's gonna have a lot of amazing videos. Also, if you're new, don't forget to hit my own subscribe button, not just my own too. Love you all.